First of all, I just want to say, as a company, we're very blessed to have everyone here on the team. I think you guys all know that you're all here for a reason, and we're blessed to have you guys. It's a bunch of great people. And so with our company, we always have strived to be more about just making money. And so a big goal is like, how can we have an impact? And so one of the things that we were really, truly inspired from was a company in San Antonio that did something very similar to what we're trying to do this year. And so I have some money in my pocket, and it's not for personal use, I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna be tasking everybody with a goal to make an impact and to do something big this year. And so I'm gonna be giving everybody $500, and the goal is to make as big of an impact as you possibly can. And it can be to do anything that you want. And hopefully what we can accomplish with this is to help other people out, make an impact in the community, but also inspire other businesses to do the exact same thing. A lot of people entrust us with their finances and their money, and that's what we're trying to do with you guys as well, but like to just have a good impact and to do something meaningful.
It's really cool, especially this time of year, and makes you think different on like, how can I use $500 to make the biggest impact I can?
I think it's incredible. To me, it's an opportunity not only to receive something similar to like a Christmas bonus, but with the ability to influence somebody else's life as well.
Well, I think it's inspiring. I think it's going to make us do a lot of thinking. I love seeing us as a team do something like this and be held accountable to make it really count.
I think it's really exciting to work for a company that's going to do this, but now I'm just like, in the back of my head, I'm like, okay, I got to figure this out, and I want to kind of get the gears rolling on what I'm going to do.
I'm thinking like children this time of year. I feel like there's a lot of kids who just don't feel loved this time of year. They kind of see other families celebrating and having a good time, and they might not have as much to celebrate when they go home. And not just that it's like about stuff, but just I want to show kids that like they're loved. So I think it's really fun to put everybody in a different mindset this time of year and make them think of other people besides themselves. Yeah.
I'm thinking of all these ideas of things that I've wanted to do, maybe not had the money for, and so I'm just excited at the possibility of helping someone else in this world.
So I'm thinking something with like either the foster children in Round Rock, there's like the foster center there.
I thought it would be a cool idea for like a lower income school to be able to go towards their prom, or I don't know, something cool like that.
I don't know, for like teachers or kids, I know I want to evolve it around families and kids, so.
It's easy just to go give it to a charity, but sometimes you don't feel the impact that you feel when you can actually see it and see it, how it really helps somebody. And we happen to be in a business where we have occasion to come across unfortunate people in unfortunate situations, and
to have an opportunity to go out and make an impact on something that's like near and dear to my heart is like, it's very awesome, and I feel very grateful that Matt has given us this opportunity. I mean, I would love to do something with foster kids, just kids that don't have a home to go to and don't have someone to look up to and love. I would love to, be there for them and provide something for them. So, we'll see. Yeah, okay.
So I've been blessed to have my own company and to be able to bring good people on the team. And I've always done this to do something bigger in life and to not just seek to have money. I have no interest in having fancy cars or fancy things, but in trying to make a big impact. And so personally, I was extremely inspired by Chris and his team in San Antonio when I saw what they did, and it kind of just lit a fire under me to show like, hey, people are already doing it. You don't have to get to a certain point to be able to give back. And it just kind of gave me the nudge that I needed. I met Chris in San Marcos and asked him if we could use this idea, and he said he would be honored. And so like, my goal here is to, one, give the people on our team the ability to go and give back and make their own impact, but two, inspire other businesses, because Chris started this, and maybe this could be the second one, and it could lead to thousands or millions of businesses doing this. And the goal is to just realize that there's more to life than collecting as much money as you can, and that the value and the happiness that you truly get in this life is by giving back. So I'm excited to see what happens and where this goes, and you know, it's going to be a really, really good end of the year. So this was a great experience. I was super proud of our team for what they've accomplished. And in looking back and the impact, it's been amazing to see how one small act of kindness or generosity can go a long way. Everyone was able to get creative and do something that they were passionate about. I think this project definitely changed our team and individuals. Real estate can be seen as something that you're just all about the money, but we're truly not. And we're not just talking about it now. To have people have the ability to go literally just directly give that money and see how that can affect other people was amazing for me. And I think our team really respected that. I think it makes our team better as one together because we all see, hey, there's more to this than the day-to-day operations that we see, but we're really trying to make an impact on the world, essentially. I'm just really excited and hopeful that this will turn into something big. My goal would be for multiple businesses, like I said, you know, millions, to go and do the same thing. Let's all take this on ourselves and go help out. Let's try to make the world a better place by just one small act of kindness. I'm so proud of our team and what we did and what we accomplished, but to me, this is just the beginning. What I would really love to see happen here is for other businesses and even individual people to take this on as a challenge, to say, hey, I'm ready to go do something right now. Take this idea and run with it. And this started with someone else, and you know, maybe we can be the second ripple, but help be the third, the fourth, the fifth. We could really do something impactful here. And I want to challenge you to go out and do it. Don't just talk about wanting to do things. Go make something happen.